Welcome to the mat. Your journey to flexibility and stress relief begins now. Hello, beautiful yogis. Ready to unlock a world of flexibility and stress relief? You're in the right place. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for a gentle way to move your body, yoga is a fantastic tool for enhancing your well-being. In this essay, we'll explore a simple 20-minute yoga routine designed especially for beginners. No need for fancy equipment or prior experience. Just bring your willingness to try something new and a smile. Yoga is more than just bending and stretching. It's a holistic practice that connects your mind, body, and breath. Through mindful movement and deep breathing, yoga helps to calm the nervous system, releasing tension and promoting relaxation. Regular practice can lead to increased flexibility, improved posture, and a greater sense of overall well-being. But most importantly, yoga is a journey of self-discovery, a way to tune into your body's wisdom and cultivate a sense of inner peace. This beginner-friendly routine focuses on poses that are accessible to everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. We'll guide you through each pose step by step, emphasizing proper alignment and modifications to suit your individual needs. Remember, yoga is not about achieving perfect postures. It's about honoring your body and meeting yourself where you are today. So grab a comfortable mat, find a quiet space, and let's begin this transformative journey together. Breathe and unwind, a simple yoga pose for everyone. Before we dive into the pose, let's just take a moment to connect with our breath. Breathing is the foundation of yoga practice. It helps to oxygenate the body, calm the mind, and create a sense of presence. Find a comfortable seated position, either on the floor with legs crossed or on a chair with feet flat on the ground. Close your eyes gently and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhale and exhale. As you inhale, feel your chest and belly expand, inviting in fresh energy. As you exhale, release any tension or stress, letting go of what no longer serves you. Continue breathing deeply and evenly for a few minutes, allowing your body and mind to settle into a state of relaxation. This simple act of conscious breathing can be incredibly powerful in reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm. Now that we've established a connection with our breath, we're ready to explore some gentle yoga poses. Remember to move slowly and mindfully, listening to your body's cues and honoring any limitations. Don't hesitate to modify the poses as needed to make them comfortable for you. Yoga is a personal practice, so feel free to adjust and adapt to suit your individual needs.
Mountain pose finding your center. Our first pose is mountain pose or Tadasana in Sanskrit. This foundational pose may seem simple, but it's an excellent way to cultivate awareness of your posture and alignment. Stand with your feet hip width apart, toes pointing forward. Ground down through all four corners of your feet, feeling a sense of stability and connection to the earth. Engage your leg muscles, lifting your kneecaps slightly. Lengthen your tailbone toward the floor and gently draw your belly button in towards your spine. Relax your shoulders away from your ears, allowing your arms to hang naturally by your sides. Your palms can face forward or towards your body. Imagine a string gently pulling the crown of your head towards the ceiling, elongating your spine. Soften your gaze and focus on a point in front of you, maintaining a sense of ease and stillness. Breathe deeply and evenly, feeling the expansion of your chest and ribcage with each inhale. Mountain pose is a wonderful pose for improving posture, balance, and body awareness. It's also a great starting point for many other standing poses. As you stand tall and grounded, visualize yourself as a strong and stable mountain, unwavering in the face of life's challenges. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the grounding energy of the earth beneath your feet.
A downward facing dog, a full body stretch. From mountain pose, we'll transition into downward facing dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana. This invigorating pose stretches the entire back body, strengthens the arms and legs, and calms the mind. Begin by stepping your feet back about 3 to 4 feet, creating an inverted V shape with your body. Spread your fingers wide and press firmly into your palms, distributing your weight evenly. Rotate your inner arms outwards, creating space between your shoulder blades. Keep your legs straight but don't lock your knees. If your hamstrings feel tight, you can slightly bend your knees to create more space in the pose. Lengthen your tailbone towards the ceiling and press your sit bones back, creating a long, straight spine. Relax your head and neck, allowing your ears to align with your upper arms. Gaze towards your feet or slightly forward. Downward facing dog is an excellent pose for relieving stress and tension. It's also a great way to improve circulation and energize the body. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, breathing deeply and evenly. If you feel any discomfort in your wrists, you can modify the pose by placing your forearms on the floor. Section 5. Warrior 1. Building strength and confidence. From downward facing dog, step your right foot forward between your hands, coming into Warrior 1, or Virabhadrasana 1. Align your right heel with your left arch, creating a 45-degree angle with your back foot. Bend your right knee deeply, aiming for a 90-degree angle, while keeping your left leg straight and strong. Engage your core muscles to maintain stability and balance. Reach your arms overhead, palms facing each other, creating a long line from your fingertips to your back heel. Keep your shoulders relaxed and away from your ears. Gaze forward with a sense of focus and determination. Warrior One is a powerful pose that builds strength, stamina, and confidence. It also stretches the hips, chest, and shoulders. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths on each side, breathing deeply and feeling the expansion of your lungs. As you stand strong and grounded, visualize yourself as a courageous warrior, ready to face any challenge with grace and resilience. After completing Warrior One on the right side, step back to Downward Facing Dog and repeat on the left side. Section 6. Cat-Cow Pose, Gentle Spinal Mobility. From Downward Facing Dog, come onto your hands and knees, aligning your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. This is the starting position for Cat-Cow Pose, or Chakravakasana. As you inhale, arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin towards your chest and drawing your belly button in towards your spine. This is the cat phase of the pose. As you exhale, round your spine like a cow, dropping your belly towards the floor and lifting your head and tailbone towards the ceiling. This is the cow phase of the pose. Continue flowing gently between cat and cow pose for 5 to 10 rounds, synchronizing your breath with the movement. Cat-cow pose is a wonderful way to improve spinal mobility and flexibility. It also helps to release tension in the back, neck, and shoulders. This gentle flowing movement can be incredibly soothing and calming, helping to relieve stress and promote a sense of well-being. As you move through the poses, visualize your spine lengthening and becoming more supple with each breath. This pose is a reminder that we are constantly in flux, flowing between moments of expansion and contraction, just like the ebb and flow of the ocean. Section 7. Child's Pose, Rest and Recharge. From Cat-Cow Pose, bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels, coming into Child's Pose or Balasana. Lower your forehead to the floor and rest your arms alongside your body, palms facing up. Close your eyes gently and surrender to the pose, allowing your body to completely relax. Breathe deeply and evenly, feeling the weight of your body sinking into the earth. Child's Pose is a restorative pose that provides a sense of comfort and security. It's a wonderful way to release tension in the back, hips, and shoulders. It's also a great pose for calming the mind and promoting a sense of inner peace. Hold this pose for as long as you need, allowing your body and mind to fully recharge. As you rest in Child's Pose, visualize yourself as a child again, free from worries and responsibilities. Embrace the feeling of being nurtured and supported by the earth beneath you. This pose is a reminder that it's okay to slow down, rest, and recharge whenever you need to. It's a gentle invitation to reconnect with your inner child and embrace a sense of playfulness and joy. Section 8. Core Strength for Stability and Balance. Incorporating core strengthening exercises into your yoga practice can enhance stability, balance, and overall strength. Simple exercises like planks and boat pose can effectively engage your core muscles. Let's start with plank pose. From a tabletop position, extend your legs back, aligning your body from head to heels. Engage your core muscles, drawing your navel towards your spine. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing steadily. Next, move into boat pose. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly, lifting your feet off the ground. Keep your back straight and core engaged. You can extend your arms forward for an added challenge. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing deeply. Remember to modify these poses as needed. If you're new to core work, start with shorter holds and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. Strengthening your core not only benefits your yoga practice, but also improves your posture and balance in everyday life. A strong core provides a solid foundation for all your movements, making it easier to perform daily activities with ease and grace. As you engage your core muscles, visualize a powerful center that supports you in all you do. Section 9. Listen to your body, a gentle reminder. Congratulations on completing this beginner-friendly yoga routine. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. It's about honoring your body, listening to its cues, and meeting yourself where you are today. Some days you may feel flexible and energized, while other days you may feel stiff and tired. That's perfectly okay. The most important thing is to approach your practice with kindness and compassion. Always listen to your body and don't push yourself beyond your limits. If you experience any pain or discomfort, gently come out of the pose and modify it as needed. Yoga is a practice of self-awareness, so pay attention to how your body feels and adjust your practice accordingly. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from a qualified yoga instructor if you have any questions or concerns. Before starting any new wellness program, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that yoga is a safe and appropriate practice for you. Yoga is a wonderful tool for enhancing your well-being, but it's essential to approach it with mindfulness and respect for your body's limitations. Enjoy the journey.